A very good morning. My name's Chris and I live on the island of Unst in the Shetland Islands. Welcome along to my little shed. It would appear summer has left us finally. I shall show you out the window. It's a bit breezy. Can't actually see too well from here, but the birds found a little sheltered spot there. And there's some more waiting for their breakfast over here. I haven't fed them yet. And the chickens, they're just eating everything. Fatties. And not the rooster obviously, but the hen, she won first prize at the Unst show for her eggs. Awesome. Champion chicken. So the price has gone up if you want to buy it. Anyway, back to what's going on in here. So yesterday I was just kind of minding my own business while everyone was at the show in the rain. And I was just stripping all these little bits of cable every now and then. And at the end of the day, I got this little pile of copper. It would appear most of my videos at the moment are about copper. But that's okay, because we all like it. Let's see how much I got yesterday. It's just doing odd bits here and there in the day, and I got 743 grams of bare bright. And for those overseas, you get £1 10 ounces. So that was just me messing about. So I thought, how much can I strip in 10 minutes? So I have a bag ready, and I'm just going to get my drill on the stripping machine here and go for 10 minutes and see how much I get. So here we go. I will just say it won't be 10 minutes because I shall time lapse it. So if you're sensitive to time lapse, I'll just a little warning there for you. Right, let's move these out of the way. I should have done before, but you know how it goes. Preparation is key, obviously. There's not a lot of preparation going on here, I can tell you. Right. Power in the drill. The batteries are dud, so get that set. I'm hoping actually not all this wire's the same, so there'll be a bit of messing what we're on. I'll wait till that gets to the minute, and then we'll go from there. I could set up a timer. Rocket science going on here. Right, away we go. Let's go. Good one. Okay. Well, there we have it. Let me just move that up a bit. There we go. You see my mug. If you want to have a look at that, there we go. Well, that was 10 minutes. It wasn't, obviously wasn't slick because these things aren't planned, obviously. But we got this in 10 minutes. So we'll have a weigh up and see how we did. Get my scales set up. Right, there we go. You can see the scales. You can't see them, they just turn themselves off. Are on naught. So hopefully I can chuck this in without bending it up too much, because I've got to obviously have to cut it down, otherwise the salt air might get into it and corrode it all. And we don't want that, because that's rubbish. Because then it's dirty copper, and nobody likes dirty copper. Right. 358 grams. Or, in foreign speak, 12.6 ounces. So that's about a third of a kilo. So if you're lucky and getting £6 a kilo, that's about 2 pounds in 10 minutes. So there we go, 2 pounds in 10 minutes. If you live in the UK, the national minimum wage is just over £12. So I'm sure with a bit of tweaking, you could do that with some longer lengths of wire. You could do that a lot better and make more. So you could make a bit more than the minimum wage in the UK. If you're retired, that's a bonus. If you're young, it's a bonus. If you're my age, it's okay. You've got your day off or the evening. You can do that for, if you've got enough wire that is, to do that for an hour. You can make some pocket money or some beer money, which is much more sensible, I think. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you for all the comments and the likes. And I will catch you in the next one. Keep scrapping.